Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can safely delete your project on the CapCut application with iPhone. You just need to open your CapCut. So the thing that I mean with deleting your project safely is deleting the project and you can still access this project means that we need to pick up the project that we want to delete. So let's say here I would like to organize my project on my CapCut account and I would like to delete some, but in order we can access the project that we just deleted, we need to pick up those first into the spaces or the space of the CapCut. Now click into the three small dot of the project that you want to pick up, and then select an option upload to space. Here just go tap it and you just need to click the folder and go click upload, and that will the cloud moving there, and you just need to wait until the uploading process is just perfectly finished, or you can just tap it just to see the progress of the uploading process here. So if it's perfectly uploaded, that will be in the folder that you just picked before, and now you can safely delete your project here. And whenever you need them, just go open the space, open the folder and download it, and those project will be back into your project list on the application. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and if you still have some questions, just drop into the comments below and let's meet again into other tutorial.